Hey boys and girls club members, this is Miss Anali again with another self-care video. So today we're going to be doing a nature walk. So for that you're going to need your tennis shoes, some socks, well, you don't really need tennis shoes, but just some comfortable shoes to walk around in. With all this stuff going on, I'm really not gonna go out to like a public park and walk. I'm just gonna take y'all around the backyard and do a nature walk there. We're gonna start off by putting on our tennis shoes. So the point of a nature walk is really just to meditate, take in all of your surroundings, really appreciate like everything that grows on our earth. You can find really cool things when you just take a closer step and you take time to look at everything around you. Pay more attention to detail. And you just stop and look. You really notice things that you didn't notice before, or that you even knew existed. I'm guessing that's a dragonfly. I'm not sure. But I hope y'all like this video. Take a nature walk. It helps you meditate and just really enjoy like your surroundings, and it can bring out curiosities in the world around us and things that we might not even know were there. Stay safe, y'all. Bye.